for jumping on a call so fast. This grammar homework is giving me a massive headache.
So Mr. Davis really went all out with these adjective clauses, and which part is tripping you up?
Honestly, the whole concept. I get that an adjective describe a noun like the blue card, but how does a whole class become an adjective?
Right, okay, so think of its way. An adjective clause does the exact same job as a single adjective. So it just uses a whole group of words with a subject and a verb to do it. And it always starts with words like who, whom, whose, which, or that.
Okay, can you give me an example?
Okay, so look at the question number 3 on your file.
Okay.
The sentence is the student who won the essay contest gets a scholarship. The core sentence is just the student gets a scholarship, right? But who won the essay contest is the adjective clause. It's describing which student we are talking about.
Oh, so it acts like a giant descriptor for the student?
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense, but what about which versus that? Like question 5 has a blank where I have to choose between them, and I always guess wrong.
Here is the trick from Mr. Davis mentioned last week. So use word that for essential information stuff, like the sentence absolutely needs to make sense, and you use words which for extra non-essential information, and always put commas around it.
Okay, wait, let me write that down. That is essential, and which is extra, and commas.
Yes. And then look at the question number 5.
Okay.
The book blah 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 is on the table belongs to the library, right? If you take out the clause, does the book belongs to the library tell us which specific book?
Not really. If there are a bunch of books around, so it's essential information to identify the book. That means it should be that, like the book that is on the table.
Spot on. Now look at the question 6. My iPhone blah 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 I bought last year is already lagging.
Well, I only have one iPhone, so saying my iPhone is already lagging already makes perfect sense on its own. The part about buying it last year is just extra flavor. Plus, I see commas in the sentence, so it has to be which. My iPhone, comma, which I bought last year, comma, is already lagging.
Look at you just asked the hardest part. Congratulations.
Okay, I feel a lot better. What about who versus whom?
Oh, so here's the secretly easy if you use the he or him shortcut. Who replaces subject pronouns like he or they, and then whom replaces object pronouns like him or them.
Wait, how do I apply that to a sentence?
Take question 8. The teacher blah 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 I like the most retired. Turn the clause into its own sentence. I like he the most, or I liked him the most.
You would definitely say I like him the no.
Right, and since him ends with an M, you use whom, which also ends with an M. The teacher whom I like the most retired.
Wow, mind blown. So him is who? So that M3 is a lifesaver, Miska.
Right, and with that, you've mastered the whole worksheet.
Okay. Wow, we're done. I actually feel ready for the quiz tomorrow. Thank you so much, Miska.
Anytime, Alia. See you in class. Bye bye.
See you.